Hi, it's Anthony here from Breathe. I'm going to take you through now one of the basic TRX exercises, which is the squat. And I'm going to go through a step-by-step guide on how to get into the correct position, how to do the movement, and also to add a progression. So let's get straight into it. First thing you want to be doing is getting your strap to mid-length, and you want to be standing facing the anchor point. From here, you want your elbows to be directly below your shoulders, and then you want to stand in a position that feels comfortable to you, and then drop your hips back and down. And at all times, you want your head to be facing the anchor point. Throughout the movements, you're creating that space between your chin and your collarbone. What you can do in the bottom position as well is that you can kind of stamp and march around just to kind of get that position that sort of feels nice and comfortable for when you're doing the movement. Nice and simple. You don't want to be pulling too hard on the straps, so you should be able to kind of wiggle your fingers around. So this is just to stabilize you, not to kind of take all of your weight. If you then want to add a progression, you can add a jump. If you really want to get some leverage, you turn the hands downwards as you jump to really get height. And always just remember to maintain that good technique the whole time. Nice and simple, there you have it. I hope you liked that video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for many more TRX exercises. And I'll see you soon for another one. Take care.
We'll be right back.